Hello and welcome to Forever Active, where we help you stay strong, mobile, and healthy no matter your age. If you're over 60 or even in your 50s and starting to feel weaker, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about something that affects nearly everyone as we age, muscle loss, or what doctors call sarcopenia. It starts quietly. Your arms feel softer, your legs get tired quicker, stairs seem steeper, and your strength just isn't what it used to be. But here's the good news. You can rebuild muscle naturally, safely, and without fancy powders or gym memberships. And it starts with what's on your plate. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 everyday foods that help rebuild muscle after 60, keep your body active, and your life independent and strong. And believe me, number 3 surprises most people. Don't skip it. Let's jump in. Number 1, eggs, yes, even the yolks. Let's start with one of the most complete muscle-building foods on earth, eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, especially leucine, a key amino acid that helps trigger muscle growth. And that's exactly what your aging body needs. Most people know eggs are good for protein, but here's the kicker. The yolk is just as important. It's full of vitamin D, B12, and healthy fats that support muscle function and hormone health. Did you know? A 2017 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed whole eggs after resistance training built more muscle than those who ate just egg whites. So skip the old myth, keep the yolk. How to enjoy them? 2 boiled eggs for breakfast, scrambled with spinach, or even a veggie-filled omelet. And if you're worried about cholesterol, talk to your doctor. But recent science shows eggs in moderation are safe and healthy for most older adults. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Choose plain, full fat. Next up, a powerhouse food that's easy to digest, rich in protein, and supports your gut and muscle health, Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has double the protein, which is exactly what aging muscles crave. It also contains calcium and probiotics that help your body absorb nutrients better and support bone strength too. Why full fat? Because healthy fats help with nutrient absorption, hormonal balance, and sustained energy, all key when you're rebuilding strength later in life. Real-life tip: have Greek yogurt as a snack between meals. Add berries, chia seeds, or even a scoop of peanut butter for extra protein. Just avoid the sugar-loaded flavored yogurts. Go for plain and sweeten it naturally with fruit or cinnamon. So that's 2 of the top 5, and already you're giving your body the tools to rebuild lost muscle, stay mobile, and fight fatigue. But coming up next, number 3 is a food most people never expect to help muscles, and skipping it could be one of the biggest mistakes people over 60 make. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more weekly tips on staying strong, pain-free, and forever active. Now, ready for number 3? Stick with me. Lentils, the secret muscle food you're probably ignoring. Yes, lentils. Most people don't think of lentils when it comes to building muscle, but they are a nutritional goldmine, especially for older adults. They're packed with plant-based protein, iron, fiber, and slow-digesting carbs that give you steady energy. Now here's why this matters after 60. As we age, we not only lose muscle, but also our ability to process protein efficiently. That's why it's so important to eat high-quality, muscle-friendly foods, and lentils are perfect. Quick fact: 1 cup of cooked lentils equals about 18 grams of protein, and it's cholesterol-free, easy on the stomach, and supports heart health too. Real-life tip: swap out white rice for lentil soup or add them into stews and salads. They're cheap, easy to prepare, and last a long time in the pantry. 4. Salmon, the anti-inflammation muscle saver. Let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, because if your muscles are inflamed, they can't grow or recover properly. That's where salmon comes in. Rich in omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, vitamin D, high-quality protein. As we age, we experience chronic low-grade inflammation, especially in the joints and muscles. Omega-3s help fight this inflammation, making it easier for your body to repair muscle tissue and reduce soreness after physical activity. Research highlight: a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who took omega-3s gained more muscle mass and strength even without heavy exercise. How to eat it: grilled or baked salmon twice a week. Try canned salmon for convenience. Add to salads, wraps, or a rice bowl. If you don't like fish, you can get similar benefits from walnuts, flax seeds, or omega-3 supplements. Just make sure they're doctor approved. Number 5. Cottage cheese, the overnight rebuilder. Last, but definitely not least, cottage cheese, a true unsung hero for aging muscles. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles throughout the night. That's important because a lot of muscle breakdown actually happens while you sleep. Also packed with calcium, vitamin B12, and very low sugar if you choose the right kind. If you've ever woken up stiff or weak, try this. Eat a small bowl of cottage cheese about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's been shown to improve overnight muscle recovery, metabolism, and even sleep quality. Final tips to maximize muscle after 60. Don't skip protein with breakfast. Most seniors eat too little protein early in the day. Start strong. 2. Combine protein with movement. Even a 15-minute walk or light body weight exercises can activate your muscles to use the protein you're eating. 3. Stay hydrated. Water helps your body absorb nutrients and flushes out inflammation. Aim for 6-8 glasses a day unless advised otherwise by your doctor. So there you have it, the top 5 foods that help rebuild muscle after 60s. Eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, salmon, cottage cheese. Every one of these is affordable, easy to prepare, and deeply nourishing for aging bodies. Which one are you going to try this week? Let me know in the comments. And if you've already felt the benefits of one of these, share your story. You might inspire someone else to get stronger. And remember, it's never too late to rebuild. You're not too old. Your muscles are still listening. Subscribe for more new videos daily. Thanks for watching Forever Active, where age is just a number and strength is forever. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay forever active.